Okie dokie, this is the first start and run of my Opel 2.4 liter engine with a MaxxECU operating system. This car used to be a Gullwing GT, one of only 5 in the world, but it was done poorly. So I had to chop the roof off, put another roof on, and make it back into a normal Opel GT. And you can see a little bit, well, right there on the sides of my the body kit I put on. And there's the wing that came with the kit, and well, I don't have it set for lifting up right now. But anyway, this video is just about seeing that I actually got this car's engine running. It was fighting me. And has no muffler. It's loud and rough as hell, but it sounds like a fire-breathing dragon. And that suits me just fine for now. So here we go. I don't know how that sounded on the camera, but man, it sounded like a race car. Anyway, glad you liked it.